Summer has arrived and almost all my neighbors have been busy refreshing their patios and gardens, and their spaces look like it belonged in a magazine. Meanwhile, my patio looked completely forgotten. Wild ivy had taken over, and the space felt anything but inviting. Instead of buying new decorations, I challenged myself to create a cozy patio makeover using only the materials I already had at home. With a little creativity, some DIY decor, and a few forgotten treasures, I transformed this neglected corner into a relaxing outdoor space perfect for morning coffee and peaceful summer evenings. Hello ReCrafters! Today we are making a patio renovation together. I'm so excited about it. So if you're ready, grab your scraps, sparkle your imagination, and let's ReCraft together. Since moving into this house, I simply haven't had the time to make this patio feel welcoming. Apart from painting the balcony railing, we did almost nothing here. But as we started spending more time chatting, relaxing, and enjoying our coffee on the patio, the space practically started begging for a makeover. As you can see, the stone wall is covered with rusty nails. Two of them are still holding evil eye beads. In Turkey, we believe these beads help protect our families from negative energy, so I decided to add more and turn them into part of the decoration. From this chair, the landscape is beautiful, but when you look the other way, all you see are rusty nails. Let's fix that. First, I need to tame the ivy that has taken over the space. I never use detergent here because there are so many plants around. Water does the job just fine. At the moment, this is all the furniture I own for the patio. It definitely needs a few cozy touches. After working under the sun for a while, I started feeling dizzy. So let's work smarter and use what I already have at home. Time to go shopping in my own wardrobe. I found this fabric from IKEA that I bought 10 years ago. Back then, I sewed 4 cushions but never actually used them. Well, today is their day. And of course, no cozy patio is complete without flowers. I also wanted to make some decorative cushions using materials I already had. I'll use this fabric along with yarn recycled from these old pieces. After crocheting a new pattern, I give it a quick press with the iron and make 2 more cushions using the same method. Then, I hand sew the crochet motifs into the cushions. Now, it's time to create decorative backgrounds for the Evil Eye beads. I even found this bead lying on the patio floor when we first moved in, so let's give it a second life too. I start with 6 chains to form the center ring and gradually crochet large circles to fit each bead. Here is how I join a new color. And of course, every project is better with a few tassels. They're surprisingly easy to make. Finally, it's time to hang everything on the wall. What a difference! The rusty nails are gone, the wall has a character, and the patio is starting to feel like a place we actually want to spend time in. And let's be honest, adding more flowers never disappoints. After the makeover, this patio became a space that truly reflects us. What was once a neglected corner is now a cozy place where we can relax, enjoy our coffee, and spend time together. I love how it turned out, and I would love to know what you think. Has this patio transformation inspired you to refresh a corner of your own home or garden? Share your ideas in the comments below. I always enjoy reading them. If you enjoyed today's DIY patio makeover, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more budget-friendly decorating, upcycling, and home transformation projects. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Until next time,